What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to be doing Harvester versus Icepiercer in Murder Mystery 2. I'm going to be using Harvester, and Chase is going to be using Icepiercer over there. We both have matching fits for it. Rate the fits in the comments. And, first to 5, no stabs, no perks. It's the battle of the crossbows. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I forgot to mention that the loser had to wear an avatar that the other person chose. And this is the avatar. It's 1v1 with the fit. Bruh, never mind. Okay, guys, this is the avatar he chose for me. I hate you, Chase, if you're watching this. Bro. We do kind of slay... Bro. Why is Blue Bloxy wearing that? Okay, we're baddies for life, but I still do hate my...